This is my secret to making my week stress free. An organized fridge with everything prepped and ready. No scrambling, no last minute chaos, just ingredients waiting to be turned into meals. Because let's be real, cooking every meal from scratch, not happening. But skipping meals or ordering takeout out of convenience, also not the goal. So, this is my middle ground, prepping ingredients, not full meals. Veggies are washed, chopped, and stored in airtight glass containers, keeping them fresher for longer, which means I'm more likely to eat them instead of letting them go bad. And from a fitness and fat loss perspective, this one small habit really makes a huge difference. The only thing is that whenever you chop your vegetables, make sure you use the upper shelf of your fridge. This will not only ensure that you take a lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet, but will also help you save a lot of money and lose that extra weight of yours. And you will come up with so many different recipes almost every single day that you're going to love this meal prep thing. When healthy food is visible and accessible, you naturally make better choices. No more reaching for packaged snacks out of convenience. Plus, fresh veggies retain their nutrients, fibers, and crunch much better in glass containers, so you actually enjoy eating them. Breakfast batters are ready to go, making mornings effortless, and everything is prepped just enough to remove the friction of cooking. And here is the thing, the hardest part about cooking isn't the cooking, it's the prep. Once that's done, meals comes together in minutes. No more decision fatigue, no more skipping meals because you are too tired to chop a vegetable. And this is why it's worth it. Seeing everything come together so easily with zero stress, fresh home cooked meals without the overwhelm. And when eating healthy feels effortless, it's so much easier to stay on track with your fitness goals. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't mean spending hours cooking for the week. Sometimes it's as simple as making sure your future self has less work to do. So if you have been feeling stuck or overwhelmed with cooking, start small. Prep with what you use the most, store it properly, and watch how much smoother your days feel. Save this for inspo, tag a friend who needs this, and let's make healthy eating easy.